Ever found yourself wondering about the key differences between lions and tigers and who would possibly emerge victorious in a battle between the two? Just imagine the tawny king of the African savanna, the lion, squaring off against the striped stealth master of the Asian jungles, the tiger. In this video we'll delve into their unique physical traits, geographical habitats, and distinctive behaviors. We'll also pit these two majestic creatures against each other in a hypothetical face-off. Stick around to learn more about these majestic creatures and the answer to our intriguing question. To start off, we'll delve into the physical differences between these two beasts of nature. Lions, known for their regal bearing, are tawny in color and sport a thick, majestic mane, a feature unique to the male species. Their bodies are robust, but surprisingly they are not the heaviest in the big cat family. That title goes to the tiger. Tigers are generally longer and heavier than lions, with males weighing up to 600 pounds. They're easily recognized by their distinct stripes, a feature that has earned them a place in folklore and mythology. These stripes are not just for show, they serve as excellent camouflage in the wild, helping tigers stalk their prey undetected. Another interesting difference to note is that while the lion's mane offers some level of protection in fights, the tiger's lack of mane means it has to rely more on its agility and strength. While both are intimidating in their own right, their physical attributes reveal a fascinating contrast. Now, let's explore where these creatures live and how their behaviors differ. Lions and tigers, two of the most majestic creatures on Earth, reside in different parts of the world. Lions primarily roam the plains and grasslands of Africa, while tigers are native to the diverse landscapes of Asia. These diverse habitats have shaped their unique behaviors and lifestyles. Let's dive into these behavioral differences. Lions, known as the kings of the jungle, are social creatures. They live in groups called prides, which consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. This social structure allows them to work together when hunting, providing and protecting their territory. On the other side of the spectrum, tigers are solitary creatures. They prefer to live and hunt alone, marking and defending their territories from other tigers. This solitary lifestyle is reflected in their hunting style. Tigers rely on stealth and surprise, patiently stalking their prey before launching a swift and powerful attack. These behavioral differences between lions and tigers are largely a result of their differing environments. The open plains of Africa lend themselves to social hunting and living, while the dense forests and jungles of Asia require a more solitary and stealthy approach. Their behaviors and habitats are as diverse as their physical traits, adding another layer to their intriguing comparison. With all these differences in mind, the question remains, who would win in a fight, a lion or a tiger? Let's dive into this intriguing query. Both lions and tigers are capable of extreme aggression, a trait that serves them well in the wild. However, their fighting styles contrast as much as their appearances. In the confines of captivity, where one-on-one battles are more common, tigers have generally come out on top. Their larger size and powerful build give them an edge in these isolated encounters. But the wild is a different arena altogether. Lions, unlike their striped counterparts, live and hunt in groups known as prides. In a face-off, a solitary tiger may find itself outnumbered by a pride of lions. The cooperative nature of these big cats could swing the balance in their favor. Yet it's crucial to remember that these are wild animals, and their behaviors can be as unpredictable as the winds of the savanna or the jungle's shadows. The outcome of such a battle can be as unpredictable as nature itself. As we wrap up our comparison, it's time to make a prediction. We've delved into the physical differences, observing the tawny mane of the lion contrasted against the distinct stripes of the tiger. We've noted the length and weight of the tiger, giving it an edge in size. We've also explored their geographical and behavioral differences. Lions inhabiting the African plains live and hunt in prides, whereas the solitary tigers of Asia prefer a more independent lifestyle. These behavioral traits can significantly impact the outcome of a potential encounter. In a hypothetical face-off between these two magnificent beasts, the outcome is not easily predicted. In a one-on-one clash, the tiger's size and strength might give it an advantage. However, the social structure of lions means they are more accustomed to group confrontations, potentially tipping the scales in their favor. Remember, while it's interesting to speculate, these magnificent creatures are best admired for their unique qualities and roles in the ecosystem, rather than pitted against each other in imaginary battles.